Today we're going to be making Mongolian beef. I know the previous times I've used beef, or I've said beef, it was actually TVP. This time it's similar to TVP, it's actually called Soy Curls. So this is the pre-portioned package. I'll link it below. You can get it on Amazon, or you can also get it from the manufacturer itself. And it looks, here I'll show you. It looks a little bit more like shredded, I guess, than the TVP. So this is what we're going to use, but it's the same process. You'd have to soak this in water for about 10-15 minutes, let it rehydrate before we can actually work with it. Luckily for this dish, I don't have to go and take another step to prep it, which was to cook it in vegetable broth and soy milk. So this is good. We're just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and use the whole thing. And if you want to cup size it, it's probably about 4 or 5 cups. You put it into hot water. And then what I like to do is I like to put something, another bowl right on top to make sure that everything is fully submerged. And then we go ahead and leave this off to the side for about 10 minutes. It usually sits there from the time it takes me to make the sauce for it. So we're gonna put this aside. Okay, so I'm gonna try something a little different this time while I'm making the Mongolian sauce. Before I used to show you pretty much as I'm measuring it out and putting it in. I figured this might be a little bit faster. Everything has already been pre-portioned for me. So I'm just gonna go ahead and mix it all together. And I'll, in the description, I'll tell you exactly how much it is in case you've missed it. And if there's anything that I don't think is gonna be easily found in like a local market, I'll try to find it and link it below, okay? So if this works out better, let me know, or if you'd like me to struggle through measuring out everything, let me know that too in the comments below. So here we go. This is going to be the sauce, okay? First, you're going to do a 1/4 cup of vegetable broth. Okay, we're going to do 1/2 tablespoon of cornstarch. Okay. We're going to do 1/2 cup of Hoisin sauce. And the one that I use is the vegetarian one. I think, honestly, I don't know what the other one tastes like, but it might be just less sodium, I think. And then we're going to do 1/3 cup of the vegetable mushroom, oyster mushroom sauce. Then I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of the Chinese barbecue sauce. Let me show you this one, because this one is of particular interest. So the regular one comes with, I think, a red lid. The vegetarian one, which it'll actually say bullhead, I think, bullhead vegetarian barbecue sauce. This one has a green lid, so usually the lid will tell you which one is which, yeah. Okay, then I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of sugar. Yep. And then 1 tablespoon of vegetable seasoning. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Here we go. Ooh, 2 tablespoons of fresh minced ginger. You can use onion as well. I like the taste of ginger. It reminds me of the way that my mom makes it. And then, okay, so this last part is to your discretion. Usually it would be about 1 tablespoon of crushed red pepper flakes. I'm using actually 1 teaspoon because my husband and my daughter will be eating this, and I don't think that I should be putting that much in. But if you want it true to taste, you might want to put in the whole tablespoon. It makes it have a really, really nice kick to it. Yeah, well, you know. And then you mix that all up. Once this is nicely mixed, I will go ahead and put that on the stove to boil. So I went ahead and I strained the soy curls. This is what it turns out to look like after about 10 minutes of being soaked. And then now I'm just gonna coat it so that I can fry it and it'll be crisp. What you wanna do is you want to put, I mixed 1 tablespoon of vegetable seasoning with about 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of black pepper. Yeah, just put it on top and you're just gonna like, make sure everything is well coated. Put everything in. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add about a teaspoon and a half, 1.5 teaspoons of sesame oil. Okie dokie, and this is ready to be fried. You can either pan fry it or you can deep fry it. I like to deep fry it because it makes it just a little bit crunchier, especially when you're going to be tossing it in the sauce. But it's up to you. Okie dokie, so the oil is all nice and heated up and ready to go. I've turned the heat down to medium-high so that I don't burn it too quickly. And then I'm going to go ahead and put this in very slowly. Let me see if I can get this to focus for you guys. There we go. Once you start to see it golden up like this, you can go ahead and take it out of the oil and let it rest for a little bit. Alrighty guys, so at this point we're just going to go ahead and mix everything together, bring it to a boil, and then turn off the heat. I'm going to take that fried soy curls, put them into the pan. And then the sauce that we had prepared at the beginning, right here, just going to go right on top. Complete dish. It is the Mongolian beef using the Soy Curls. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys will give it a try. I know it seems a little bit intimidating with the sauce having so many different ingredients, but trust me, every ingredient adds like a depth of flavor to it, and it's really good. So if you guys do try it, please tag me. I'd love to see how it turned out. And if you have any other requests or any suggestions, leave it in the comments below. Alright, thank you guys. Enjoy.
It's sweet. Nice crunch. Has like a mustardy taste to it. It was really good. Like a sweet and a bitterish.
Yeah.